Picture this: an orchestra without a conductor, a ship without a captain, a movie without a director. These scenarios all lead to chaos, right? This is exactly the scenario in the business world without product management. Product management is the conductor, the captain, the director in the world of products. It's the glue that binds all aspects of a product, from development to sales and everything in between. It's the strategic function that ensures a product not only sees the light of day, but also fulfills its potential. Now, imagine mastering this critical role. We've designed a comprehensive course that breaks down the complex world of product management into digestible modules. Each module specifically crafted to provide you with a deep understanding of the different aspects of product management. The first module peels back the layers of product management, explaining its role, importance, and how it fits into the overall business strategy. It paints a detailed picture of the life cycle of a product, from conception to retirement. The second module dives into the specifics of product development. It covers the nitty-gritty of product design, prototyping, and testing. It also explores the importance of user feedback and how to incorporate it into product development. Next up, the third module explores product marketing. It delves into the strategies to effectively market a product, the importance of understanding your target audience, and how to position your product in the market. The fourth module covers product sales and distribution. It examines the sales process, the various distribution channels, and how to choose the right ones for your product. The final module ties everything together, focusing on product strategy. It discusses how to develop a winning product strategy, manage a product portfolio, and make crucial product decisions. So imagine the possibilities. Imagine the impact. Imagine the success. All within your reach. Don't just dream about being the conductor, the captain, the director. Become one. Sign up for the course today. Equip yourself with the knowledge to lead, to guide, to succeed. Unleash your potential. Take the reins of product management and steer your product to success. The time is now. Seize it.